आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे पार्ट 5 ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन एमसीक्यूज सो कीप वाचिंग दिस वीडियो टिल इन फॉर बेटर प्रिपरेशन Question number 121. The first step in light reaction of photosynthesis is the excitement of electron of chlorophyll by a photon of light. Question number 122. Sugarcane show high efficiency of carbon dioxide fixation because of Calvin cycle, Hatch and Slack cycle, TCA cycle due to greater sunlight. So correct answer is option 2. Sugarcane show high efficiency of carbon dioxide fixation because of Hatch-Slack cycle or C4 pathway. Question number 123. Which one of the following is the first step of glycolysis? Breakdown of glucose, phosphorylation of glucose, conversion of glucose into fructose, or dehydrogenation of glucose. So correct answer is option 2. Phosphorylation of glucose is the first step of glycolysis. Question number 124. Sources of carbon dioxide in photosynthesis during daytime in CAM plant is 3-phosphoglyceric acid, malic acid, oxaloacetic acid, pyruvate. So correct answer is option 2. Malic acid is the source of carbon dioxide in CAM plants. Question number 125. Chlorophyll has which element in its center? Iron, magnesium, copper, sulfur. So correct answer is option 2. Chlorophyll के सेंटर के अंदर मैग्नीशियम मौजूद होता है. Question number 126. Calvin cycle of C4 plants operates in grana of mesophyll cells of chloroplast, or in the stroma of chloroplast in mesophyll cells, or in the bundle sheath cells in the chloroplast. So correct answer is option 3. Calvin cycle operates in the stroma of bundle sheath cells in case of chloroplast. Question number 123, 127. Photorespiration takes place in chloroplast and mitochondria, in mitochondria and peroxisome, in the bundle sheath chloroplast, or in chloroplast, peroxisome and mitochondria. So correct answer is option 4. फोटोरेस्पिरेशन जो है वो क्लोरोप्लास्ट, पेरोक्सिसोम और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया तीनों के अंदर होती है. Question number 128. How many ATP molecules released when one molecule of glucose is oxidized in our liver cells? 36, 38, 2, 8. So correct answer is option 2. Total 38 molecules of ATP are produced by the oxidation of one molecule of glucose. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरखास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 129. Which one is false about Cron's anatomy? Option 1 is bundle sheath cells have large chloroplast and less developed grana. This option is true. Option 2 is mesophyll cells have large chloroplast and more developed grana. Option 3 is it is found in atriplex, sugarcane and maize. Option 4 is plant having it have better photosynthesizing power than C3 plants. तो इसमें जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन 2. मेसोफिल cells have large chloroplast but they don't have grana. So this statement is not true about Cron's anatomy. Question number 130. Sequence of food material consumed during starvation. तो इसका जो पहला ऑप्शन है यही करेक्ट है कि सबसे पहले कार्बोहाइड्रेट यूटिलाइज होती हैं, फिर फैट्स और फाइनली प्रोटीन्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 131. How many ATP are produced during glycolysis of one molecule of glucose? 4, 2, 36, 38. So correct answer is option 1. Total 4 ATP molecules are produced during glycolysis. Question number 132. Who discovered that carbon dioxide is taken in and oxygen is released by green plants? Mayer, Jugan House, Sani Beer, or Joseph Priestley? So correct answer is option 4. Joseph Priestley in 1774 discovered that carbon dioxide taken in case of plants and oxygen is released. Question number 133. Primitive photosynthetic plants utilizes solar energy by cyclic photophosphorylation Z scheme, both A and B Calvin cycle. So correct answer is option 1. Primitive photosynthetic plants जो है वो उनके अंदर सिर्फ साइक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोरिलेशन होती थी फॉर कैप्चरिंग सोलर एनर्जी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 134, which one of the following is a wasteful process? Photorespiration, respiration, photosynthesis, electron transport system. So correct answer is option 1. Photorespiration को जो है वो wasteful process कंसीडर किया जाता है क्योंकि इसमें कोई ATP या NADH की सिंथेसिस नहीं होती। क्वेश्चन नंबर 135, final electron acceptor in electron transport system is NAD, FAD, oxygen, hydrogen. So correct answer is option 3. Molecular oxygen is the final electron acceptor in electron transport system. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने रेस्पिरेशन की पिछली वीडियोस नहीं देखी तो वो वीडियोस भी देख लें, उनका लिंक मैंने इस वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखा है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 136, respiratory cycle where NADH2 are produced is Calvin cycle, Krebs cycle, EMP pathway, HMP shunt. So correct answer is option 2. Krebs cycles के अंदर जो है वो NADH2 और FADH2 synthesize होते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 137, DCMU जो कि है डाइक्लोरोफिनाइल डाइमिथाइल यूरिया, it inhibits the photosystem 1, photosystem 2, it destroy chloroplast or it inhibits oxidative phosphorylation. So correct answer is option 2. DCMU जो है वो photosystem 2 को inhibit करता है by blocking the transfer of electron from plastoquinone to cytochrome. Question number 138, NH3 releases from photorespiration, dark respiration, CAM, all of these. So correct answer is option 1. NH3 ammonia is released from photorespiration. During photorespiration, two molecule of glycine combines to form serine and releases ammonia and carbon dioxide. Question number 139, cytochrome oxidase is an exoenzyme, endoenzyme, proenzyme, coenzyme. So correct answer is option 2. Cytochrome oxidase is acting as endoenzymes of electron transport chain. Question number 140, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2 are found in stroma of chloroplast, grana of chloroplast, in the matrix of mitochondria, in inner membrane of mitochondria. So correct answer is option 2. Photosystem 1 and photosystem 2 both are found in the thylakoid membranes that are present in the grana of chloroplast. Question number 141, a cell organelle that is essential for photorespiration is ribosome, dictyosome, peroxisome, glyoxysome. So correct answer is option 3. Peroxisome जो है वो photorespiration में involve होता है। Question number 142, most of the enzymes which participate in Krebs cycle are found in matrix of mitochondria, in membrane of mitochondria, outer membrane of mitochondria, in the stroma of chloroplast. So correct answer is option 1 कि सबसे ज़्यादा एंजाइम जो कि क्रेब्स साइकिल्स में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं वो माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल मैट्रिक्स में होते हैं सिवाय सक्सिनिक डिहाइड्रोजिनेज के जो कि इनर माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल मेम्ब्रेन में प्रेजेंट होता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 143, in which of the following the rate of transpiration is high? CAM plants, C3 plants, C3 and C4 both, C4 plants. So correct answer is option 4. C4 plants have high rate of transpiration because they do not undergo photorespiration. Question number 144, to connect the link between glycolysis and Krebs cycle is acetyl coenzyme A, ubiquinone, or coenzyme A. So correct answer is option 1. Acetyl coenzyme A act as a connecting link between glycolysis and Krebs cycle. Question number 145, which cell organelle has grana as a part? Mitochondria, chloroplast, eleuron grain, or starch grain? So correct answer is option 2. Chloroplasts have grana which contain stack of thylakoids. Question number 146, at which pH the enzyme of lysosomes are usually active? pH 5, 7, 8, in any pH. So correct answer is option 1. Almost at 5 pH, which is acidic, the enzymes of lysosomes are mostly active. Question number 147, The substrate of photorespiration is glycolate, glucose, pyruvic acid, acetyl coenzymase. So correct answer is option 1. Glycolate or a glycolic acid is the two-carbon compound that is acting as a substrate of photorespiration. Question number 148. The process of oxidative phosphorylation takes place in mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosome, cytoplasm. So correct answer is option 1. Oxidative phosphorylation takes place in the inner membrane of mitochondria. Question number 149. Glycolysis is the conversion of glucose to glycogen or glycogen into glucose or glucose into pyruvic acid और ग्लूकोज टू सिट्रिक एसिड. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 3. ग्लाइकोलाइसिस के अंदर जो है वो ग्लूकोज का एक मॉलिक्यूल दो पायरुविक एसिड के मॉलिक्यूल्स के अंदर चेंज होते हैं विद द सिंथेसिस ऑफ ATP एज वेल एज NADH. क्वेश्चन नंबर 150. Enzyme concerned with the transfer of electrons are hydrolases, dehydrogenases, transaminases, proteases. So correct answer is option 2. Dehydrogenases जो कि dehydrogenation को रेगुलेट करती हैं जिसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन या लॉस होते हैं. ये एंजाइम जो है वो ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं.